This is Litre Total Parts Pro today for 2022 Kia Sportage, stock number 7228. It's ran from the 9th 2021 to the current shape. This is a D4HT 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by 8-speed automatic transmission. This is D4HT 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 18-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand door mirror, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 1 dent, right hand door, right front guard no dents, right front 18-inch factory automatic tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,